So okay, so last video we saw the how to create the eyes. So this video we are going to see how to create the nose and mouth part. So we saw the perspective. Okay, we did the side and front. Right, already body we did. So you have to give the correct finishing. Okay, uh, that we can start doing. So before that, you go through some reference images, create your own mood board. So when you're creating the nose, get the closer views of the nose and mouth. Same thing when you're creating the eye, you get the more details on the eyes. So particular area when you're doing and get more reference images and make on mood board and keep side, and that will be more easy for creating the shapes. Otherwise, if you do blindly, you might do mistake because you don't notice the lion regular days. Maybe human body, human face, it will be easy to create because you see regularly. So anyway, fine. So let us start the uh, nose, right? So you get the flows. So this is my the tip of the nose. Just look at here. Maybe little you have to match the image. Maybe you have to bring the down little. Then it will be fine. So maybe image you can adjust. So select the image and click the W key and click the Y and right. So you have to bring little down. So that way you make your image. So just check it up. Yes, fine. So almost fine. So you can start doing the tweaking the things. Be sure that you're in symmetrical and get the as much possible. All right. So that can be here. Uh, Yes, so this can be here. I can make it the trace as much possible. So you should have the flows to trace the things. And if you don't have insert edge loop, create insert edge loop as much possible. So this is can be here. Again, there's the flow. We have the nose straight. So you can make this three again little down. So it will get the exact the outline of the nose. So like that it is. So this can be here and they can make it. So maybe to get exact things you need one more insert edge loop possible. So in that case what I'll do, uh, first delete the face you don't need. So to get this shape, just check it out in perspective how it looks. Yes, so fine. So no damage right now, no issues. All right, so this is fine. All right, maybe little gone inside, make it corrected. Right. So here we need one more insert edge loop so you can give the exact shape. So you can no problem. You can go for the one more insert edge loop here. So this can move a little further so you can get enough space to have that, and you can delete this. So try to make equal distance. Don't make very close split so it might create issues. Might damage or doesn't look organic. So now you can see we got the exact outline how it should be. So now you can see the look wise. So same thing here you have to check also. So each vertices you see this is right. So if it doesn't match also no issue. So just check it up where is that this is fine. Then what's about this part where it is? Just look at here, it is somewhere sitting here. So that is the problem, it is look straight. So you have to move further down. So for that what you can do, make sub selection. So you can move easily. So before having high mesh you have done that, no issues. So so make it little more, and I think it is getting damaged, so be careful. Right, so or will make, so generally you see the image, it will be some curvature is there. So ours is looks more straight, so nose looks more straight, so it has to go down. So what you can do, you can take in sculpting, use the moves, move tool, maybe in that you can make it correct. So right, so get down, it should come down everything. Okay, so it'll make more down. So then you'll slowly get that. Sorry, not there, you have to do it correctly. Right, so now slowly are getting the shape. Okay, so that's what while doing I should be very careful the look and all those things. Make the brush size correctly, and again tweak correctly, and make the correct shape, no issues. So this should be like this, and go to the side view now. I think almost we are getting the things. So uh, just check the point again, and this is the wet. Okay, fine. So you miss the things, so no issues. you'll move the or you can use the same move tool. That will be better. So use that and make it. You should know the anatomy how it looks. So it will go a little further inside, 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 like that. You manually do that. So here is some issues again. You see some, maybe it is not merged, right? I think it's not merged. So you can move the symmetrical. You can off. It's fine. So yes, so you can see there is some issues. You can solve that. You can select and edit mesh merge. If there is some technical issue, please correct that. So like that, you have to get the shape. And right now, when you have high mesh, then you can use always sculpting. That will better. So now you can see somewhat we are going to the right shape. In soft selection now, you can use symmetrical on again and right. So this is can be, yes, fine. So like that and right. So you can go like this and you can go like this and you can go like this. So you can have like this. So so try to match as much possible. And if and same thing, you have to make the side view also. So it is not matching, so again you try the point to point. If it is not matching also, some maximum you can try to match as much possible, so I can say. So if it is not sitting, if it is going here, whether somewhere it is going, yes, front side is not matching because maybe some angle. So you imagine in the perspective whether looks good or not, then according that you will. So you have to make or aim to make more rounded. So what I can do, I suggest forget the front end side, and you imagine that it should come rounded and rounded, it's come down and rounded and like that you have to plan and make the shape correctly. So finally you have to relax. So save the file before doing that and relax. So relax it everywhere. Then what I'll do, I'll make the next to that nose thickness. We'll go on extrude, fine, scale. Yo, what is happening? Mhm. It's not done. Okay, fine. So right. So it is not done. Right. Okay, fine. Undo, undo, undo. Okay, okay, fine. Now it is there. Okay, so offset you can use, huh? Okay, offset you can use. So attribute editor, extrude, offset 0.2, 0.5, maybe 2, too much to, huh? 1 is fine. Right. So this is our first offset. You can make like this. So then what is the next? That the thickness of the you got the that nose outline. The next what you should do, so double click and maybe little push inside, right? I can go little put it inside. Okay, fine. Okay, some one more extrude that you can push it inside. That is the nose tree. I can say that is the whole of the things. Then I can push it nicely inside, and that we can close. Okay, so we can go for edit mesh, fill hole, mesh, fill hole. So you can close that. Nice. So this is what you got the uh, nose part. So mesh display and subtenage. So you can see the nose part is done. So this is where you can make the nose and see the nose line also is fine. And the next we'll go for the mouth part. So we'll see this mouth part. We'll see the next class, next video you can see. So how to create the mouse. So you have to get the again for the topology for that, and you can make the mouth easily. So next video we'll see the how to create mouth and how to create the ear. Then we can join. So stay go see step by step.